Hey y'all, welcome to Dixie Garage. On this video, I'm going to be doing the exhaust on my 84 square body. I have the pre-bent kit. I'll put the link in the description from Amazon. And I have an old set of headers because I need a 3-inch collector flange to come off. I have Hooker long tube headers on this truck already, but I'm going to be doing away with all the 2-inch piping that's on there and old rusted up glass packs that are on there. They got rust holes in them, all that. So I'm going to pull all that junk off and go from the long tubes back. And so I have some old headers that have the 3-inch collector that I'm just going to cut off so I can use that flange and for my 3-inch piping. And then it's going to be a little bit controversial because I'm going to do straight pipes. I'm going to do no mufflers at all, no cats, no resonator, no none of that. It's going to be straight 3-inch piping from the long tube headers back. And so I know there's going to be the people in my comment section talking about you got to have back pressure and blah, 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 whatever else. I don't really want to get into that with anybody, but no, you don't. Because top cars in the world, whether it's top fuel, dirt track, NASCAR, any type of drag racing, whatever, all these 1,000+ horsepower vehicles are making max power on straight pipes. And I ride motorcycles and none of them have baffles. So no, you don't. But you can tell me what you have to have if you feel like you need to. So going to make it as loud as possible. I want it to be as loud as it can possibly be. And that's why I'm going 3-inch long tubes all the way back, just noisy. Going to go somewhere between the cab and the axle and dump it. And hopefully get a good roll sound under the bed. You know, that's how I did my 83 back in the day. But that one had Flowmaster 40 series. And so I'm going to make it even louder. Let's get started. Okay, the passenger side is going to be really easy. This is obviously, as you can tell, the one that came out. This is what I'm going to go back in with. Now the passenger side just goes straight back. So all I got to do is weld a collector on here, weld this bin, and then right here, I'll just make my straight cut for a dump. And that's it. Passenger side will be done in 10 minutes. All right, that's good to go. So right here on the driver's side, you can see that the transmission cross member comes down low, whereas on the other side, it's high. So the other side, I was able to run the exhaust straight through, no problem. Here, this is directly in the way for long tube headers. Now what was on there was a flex pipe to bring it up over the cross member and then back down. Now I'm not gonna do that. So I'm going to cut out this section of cross member and put this C channel right here. And that way I should be able to get the pipe just straight through after that. And it'll still have all this strength. It's obnoxiously loud. I mean, it's race car loud, but at idle it just thumps. beautiful sound, really, because that 3-inch pipe makes it real deep. And so I had the radio on, if I have volume, I could hear it pretty good. I would play it for y'all, but YouTube's real strict on copyright stuff, so I can't really play any music. But you can hear everything in the cab. Like, I'm not having to scream at you right now to make this. So yeah, I mean, it's perfect. I think it's a good, clean sound. It's obnoxious, but it's a clean sounding obnoxious. You know, it's not like a Honda Civic with a big old fart can on it or something. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. There's going to be a lot more videos on this truck coming up. And then I also have a Harley Davidson 4-wheeler I'm building. This is normally a motorcycle channel. So yeah, please like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching.